Now students, let us see find two rational numbers between 3 and 4 by mean method. So we have a formula for this. A rational number between A and B. Simply we can take it as A plus B by 2. Actually it is a mean formula. Sum of observations by number of observations, that is A plus B by 2. That is mean A plus B by 2. So in this, to get one rational number between 3 and 4, apply this formula. So a rational number between 3 and 4, simply we can apply it as, in A place you write 3 and B place 4, that is 3 plus 4 by 2. Simply we get it as 7 by 2. That means we can write 3, 7 by 2 and 4. Now again we have to find one more rational number. Either it is in between 3, 7 by 2 or in between 7 by 2 and 4. So let us take 3 and 7 by 2. Now again we can consider the same formula. So apply the same formula, rational number between 3, 7 by 2, that is simply 3 plus 7 by 2 by 2. So then here on numerator we got 2 LCM, we got on numerator 3 by 1 plus 7 by 2, that's why here 2 LCM. So simply we can write it as 2 into 3 here, 6 plus 7 as it is, divided by 2. So what we get here, 13 by 2 by 2. So that's the reciprocal of the denominator value 2 by 1 is 1 by 2. That means it's a division of two fractions. Simply you have to write the first fraction, numerator fraction is as it is, and second fraction, that is denominator fraction, can be written as in reciprocal, that is in 1 by 2. So then on multiplication we get simply 13 ones are 13 by 2 into 2, 4. So that is one more fraction between 3 and 7 by 2 is, we can write like this, 3, 13 by 4, 7 by 2 and 4. So these are the two fractions in between 3 and 4. Okay, so this is one of the way, and we have the next method, which is the one step method, very easiest one. So let us see that one. So in the second method, we have to write the number of fractions here. So to write the number of fractions, just observe the number, that is how many we have to write the numbers in between, the rational numbers between 3 and 4. Here we have to write two rational numbers. So let it be some n is equal to 2. So to get that one step method rational numbers, just simply add 1 to this one, that is find n plus 1. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. So make 3 as denominator to get 3, that is we have to write here in equivalent fractions. We can write 3 as simply 3 by 1, otherwise we can write it as 6 by 2, otherwise we can write it as 9 by 3. So till here I have to observe, here 3 can be written as 9 by 3. So by using these 3, we have to write 3 as 9 by 3. That means use this 3 as a denominator. Okay, then we get simply the 3 value. And again here observe this second number, that is 4. The 4 can be written as equivalent fractions, 4 by 1 and 4 into 2 into 2, that is 8 by 2, and here 12 by 3. Okay, 4 by 1 is 4, 8 by 2 is 4 and 12 by 3 is 4. So here by using the 3 as a denominator, we can make it as 12 by 3. Now here to write the fractions in between 9 by 3 and 12 by 3, we must follow like this. 9 by 3, after 9 by 3 you can write easily 10 by 3, and the next easily you can write 11 by 3, and then simply got it as 12 by 3. So we got two rational numbers in between the 9 by 3 and the 12 by 3. Okay, so for suppose if you need to get 5 rational numbers in between the 3 and 4, let us see that also. Why? Because it is the one step method, very easiest method. You can write any number of rational numbers between the two given numbers. So I am trying one more. So n is equal to 5. So here n plus 1, we can write it as 5 plus 1, so as to get 5 rational numbers. So according to this process, find n plus 1, that is 6. Now again to get 3, make the 6 as a denominator. So how can we write 3 by using 6 as a denominator? Again follow the same rule. So 3 nothing but here we can write 3 by 1, 3 2 is 6, 6 by 2, and again 3 3 is 9, 9 by 3, and simply you can write 12 by 3, and again you can write 15 by 5, 12 by 4, and again 15 by 5, and the last we get simply 18 by 6. Simply, that means to get 6 as a denominator, to make that fraction as 3, so you have to write up to 6. That means 3 nothing but here we can write 3 by 1, simply multiply it by 2, 3 into 2 6, 6 by 1 into 2, that is 6 by 2, and again multiply 3 to this one, 3 into 3 by 1 into 3, 9 by 3, again multiply 3, like that. So just like that we can get 18 by 6, and again here also write 4 as a n fraction form, 4 by 1 and 8 by 2, 12 by 3, and here 16 by 4, and 20 by 5, and the last 24 by 6. Last means so as to get the denominator as 6. So now let us try to find the number of 6 rational numbers in between 3 and 4. So for that we need here first of all that 18 by 6, which is equal to 3, and after that 18 by 6 you can write simply 19 by 6, and next 20 by 6, and next 21 by 6, and the next 22 by 6, 23 by 6, 24 by 6. So 18 by 6 is nothing but 3, 24 by 6 is nothing but 4. That means here we got from 19 by 6 to 23 by 6, how many? Just observe here, 1 2 3 4 5. So like that we can easily find the number of rational numbers in between the 3 and 4. Okay, that means we may get so many number of rational numbers in between any two given numbers. Okay, so like that you can find so many numbers, so many rational numbers in between the two given numbers. Okay, so you might observe that you can write the infinite number of rational numbers in between any two given numbers. Okay, so let us see next.